Have you ever felt like your legs were carrying a heavy weight, even when you're just walking to the kitchen? That dull ache in your calves, the cold feet at night, or even that strange tingling when you sit for too long. Most people think it's just part of getting older, but the truth is, these are clear signs that your blood isn't circulating the way it should. And when circulation slows down, your body starts sending small warnings that are often ignored. As the years go by, our arteries don't stay as open and flexible as they once were. They become stiffer, slowly building up fats and silent inflammation until one day your legs feel tired just from standing or taking a few steps. Many people believe this is normal aging, but it doesn't have to be that way. Science shows there are simple and natural ways to support your body, improve circulation, ease heavy legs, and even prevent serious complications in the future. And here's the good news. You don't need expensive medications or complicated treatments. The answer might be as simple, accessible, and delicious as fruit. Some everyday fruits you probably already have at home contain natural compounds that help clean your arteries, reduce inflammation, and bring back energy and lightness to your legs. No side effects, no risks, just natural support that works with your body. In today's video, I'll share with you 7 powerful fruits that can do wonders for the circulation in your legs and feet. And stay with me until the end, because the last fruit on this list is the strongest of all. It fights inflammation, lowers bad cholesterol, and may even help restore the bounce in your step. Now, let me know in the comments, have you noticed your legs feeling heavier or more tired lately? Type 1 for yes or 0 for no. And don't forget to subscribe to Longevity, because every week we bring you practical, science-based tips to help you live healthier, stronger, and more independent after 60. Our first ally for better circulation is small, green, and full of surprises: the kiwi. It may look simple, but kiwi has a powerful effect on the body. As we age, our blood tends to become a little thicker and our arteries lose elasticity. This slows circulation, leading to heavy legs, cold feet, cramps, and even that strange tingling when you sit for too long. That's where kiwi comes in. This fruit contains natural compounds that act like a gentle blood thinner, helping blood flow more freely and steadily. It's also rich in vitamin K, which keeps vessels flexible, and vitamin C, which strengthens the walls of your arteries. With stronger, more elastic vessels, blood can reach your legs and feet more easily, bringing energy and relief from discomfort. A study from the University of Oslo in Norway showed that people who ate kiwi daily experienced lower blood pressure and improved vascular function. So besides being delicious, it can truly help relieve that heavy leg feeling. And here's a story. Helena, a 68-year-old grandmother, always had cold feet at night and thought it was just part of getting older. After a friend told her about the benefits of kiwi, she decided to add it to her breakfast every morning. Within a few weeks, she noticed her legs didn't feel as heavy, and even her sleep improved. Today, she often says, "I never thought a little green fruit could make such a big difference in my energy." The best part is how easy it is to include kiwi into your routine. Slice it into yogurt, add it to a fruit salad, blend it into smoothies, or simply eat it by the spoon. Some people even eat the skin, which is full of fiber. But if that's not your style, just the pulp brings plenty of benefits. So next time you're at the grocery store, toss a few kiwis into your basket. This small fruit might be a big step toward lighter legs and healthier circulation. Now let's talk about a sweet, juicy, and well-known fruit, the strawberry. Beyond its delicious taste, it hides a powerful secret for your circulation. As we get older, our blood vessels become stiffer and more inflamed. This makes it harder for the heart to pump blood all the way down to the legs and feet, which can lead to constant coldness, cramps, and even that nagging pins and needles sensation. Strawberries help fight exactly this problem. They are rich in polyphenols, natural compounds that relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation. This means blood flows more easily, leaving your legs lighter and more energized. On top of that, strawberries are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens and repairs the walls of your arteries, almost like giving your vessels a natural tune-up. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate strawberries regularly had lower levels of C-reactive protein, an inflammatory marker linked to poor circulation. In other words, less inflammation, healthier vessels, and better blood flow all the way down to your feet. Here's a story. Antonio, a 72-year-old retiree, always complained about night cramps. He said he would wake up in the middle of the night with his legs locked up, and it ruined his sleep. After he started including strawberries in his afternoon snack almost every day, he noticed a big improvement.
Now, he likes to joke. Who would have thought that a little red fruit could give me peaceful nights of sleep again? The best part is how easy strawberries are to add to your routine. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, in salads, smoothies, or even as a natural dessert. What really matters is keeping them as a regular part of your diet, because their benefits go far beyond the taste. So, the next time your legs feel heavy or your feet turn cold, remember, strawberries can be more than a sweet treat. They can be a powerful ally for your circulation. Bright red, shiny, and perfectly balanced between sweet and tart. Cherries. At first glance, they may look like just a charming summer fruit, but behind their delicate appearance, cherries hide an incredible power for your vein health and circulation. One of the most common problems as we age is venous insufficiency, when the blood in the legs struggles to return to the heart. The result? Swelling, heaviness, discomfort, and even those bothersome varicose veins. That's exactly where cherries come in. They are rich in anthocyanins, natural pigments responsible for their vibrant color and powerful antioxidant effect. These compounds reduce inflammation, relax blood vessels, and protect the collagen in the vein walls, keeping them stronger and more resilient. And there's more. Cherries are also one of the best natural sources of melatonin. While melatonin helps you sleep better, it also regulates blood pressure and decreases inflammation in the blood vessels. Here's a story. Maria, 70 years old, always loved cherries but used to eat them only during the holidays. In recent years, she began to feel swelling and pain in her legs, especially at the end of the day. A doctor friend suggested that she include cherries and unsweetened cherry juice in her routine. The results were surprising. Within a few weeks, the swelling went down, her sleep improved, and even her muscle pain after walks became lighter. Now she often says with a smile, "I never imagined that the little fruit from Christmas would become my daily remedy." In practice, you can enjoy fresh cherries when they're in season, frozen cherries throughout the year, or even natural cherry juice as long as it's unsweetened. This way you get all the antioxidant power without losing the benefits. So next time you see cherries at the market, remember, they're not just a festive treat, they're a delicious way to keep your legs lighter, less inflamed, and full of energy. Few fruits carry as much symbolism as the grape. For thousands of years, grapes have been present at feasts, dinners, and celebrations. But what many people don't realize is that this small fruit also holds a powerful secret for better blood circulation. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, are rich in resveratrol and flavonoids, natural antioxidants that protect blood vessels from inflammation and reduce the oxidation of bad cholesterol. This keeps arteries cleaner, more flexible, and stronger, helping blood flow more easily to the legs and feet. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that people who regularly consume grapes or natural grape juice experience improved elasticity of their blood vessels and lower blood pressure. So it's not just about circulation, it's also about protecting your heart, brain, and legs all at once. Here's a story. Mr. Joachim, 68 years old, spent most of his life working in the fields and never cared much about diet tips. But after struggling with swollen legs and high cholesterol, he decided to follow a neighbor's advice: drink a glass of pure grape juice every day. Over time, not only did the swelling in his legs go down, but he also felt more energy to go on his daily walks. Today, he jokes, "This glass of juice is worth more than expensive medicine." The best part is that grapes can be enjoyed in many ways: fresh, as raisins, in moderation, or as natural grape juice with no added sugar. What really matters is consistency, because the benefits build up over time. So, next time you look at a bunch of grapes, remember, they're not just a celebration. They're a delicious way to keep your legs lighter, less inflamed, and full of energy. The apricot is a sweet, juicy fruit that many people think of only as a dessert or refreshing juice. But behind its delicious taste, it hides a powerful secret for better circulation and reduced inflammation. That secret is an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain has a natural anti-inflammatory effect, helping to reduce swelling, improve blood flow, and even speed up muscle recovery after physical activity. A study published in Cellular and Molecular Life Sciences revealed that bromelain is linked to improved circulation and may even help prevent blood clots, a key factor for seniors who often deal with heavy legs or varicose veins. Here's a story. Mrs. Lucia, 70 years old, always struggled with leg and knee pain, to the point that she avoided even short walks. But when her granddaughter started preparing a glass of pineapple juice with mint for her every day, she noticed the swelling went down and her energy returned. Today, she says pineapple became the dessert that turned into medicine in her life. The best part is how versatile pineapple is. You can eat it fresh, drink it as natural juice, or even use the peel to make a nutrient-rich tea. So next time you crave something sweet and refreshing, remember, pineapple is much more than a tropical flavor. It's a natural ally for lighter legs and stronger circulation. The papaya is often seen as just a simple breakfast fruit, but in reality, it's a powerful natural remedy that supports digestion, protects the heart, and boosts daily energy. Its secret lies in an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and reduces inflammation in the body. Papaya is also packed with fiber, which keeps the intestines healthy and helps balance cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of cardiovascular problems. Another highlight is its high content of lycopene and beta-carotene, two strong antioxidants that fight free radicals, strengthen the immune system, and protect against premature aging of the cells. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that regular consumption of papaya is linked to reduced systemic inflammation and better cardiovascular health, two key concerns for people over 60. And here's a story. Mr. Antonio, 68 years old, often struggled with indigestion and bloating after meals. When his doctor suggested adding papaya to his breakfast, he didn't believe it would make much difference. But within weeks, he noticed his digestion improved, his intestines worked better, and his energy levels increased. Today, he says that papaya is the morning medicine he never skips. The best part is how versatile papaya is. You can enjoy it fresh, blend it into smoothies, add it to fruit salads, or combine it with seeds like chia and flax for an extra health boost. So, papaya is not just a sweet and practical fruit, it's a powerful ally for digestion, heart health, and long-lasting vitality. The kiwi may be small in size, but it's absolutely huge when it comes to health benefits, especially for people over 60. It's packed with vitamin C, nearly twice as much as an orange. This makes kiwi a powerful ally for boosting the immune system, protecting against infections, and supporting collagen production, which is vital for skin, bones, and joint health. Kiwi also contains actinitin, a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins and makes digestion easier, reducing discomfort after heavy meals. And thanks to its soluble fiber, it also helps regulate cholesterol and supports healthy digestion. Research published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Nutritional Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of kiwi can significantly improve sleep quality. Its mix of antioxidants and natural serotonin helps the body relax and achieve deeper, more restorative rest. Here's a story. Mrs. Helena, 72 years old, had always struggled with poor sleep, often waking up tired. When she started eating 2 kiwis with dinner, she noticed her sleep became deeper and more refreshing. Now she recommends kiwi to all her friends as a natural secret for better sleep. Kiwi can be enjoyed fresh, blended into smoothies, added to fruit salads, or combined with seeds like chia and flax for an extra health boost. So, kiwi isn't just an exotic, tasty fruit. It's a powerful ally for strengthening immunity, improving digestion, and promoting restful sleep. Throughout this video, you've discovered how some simple fruits, often overlooked in our daily lives, can act as powerful natural remedies for your body. They are not just delicious snacks, they are sources of nutrients that help clean your arteries, improve blood flow, and restore energy to your legs. Think for a moment. How many people do you know who constantly complain about leg pain, swollen feet, fatigue at the end of the day, tingling sensations, or even varicose veins? These symptoms, which may seem minor, are often signs of poor circulation, and if left unchecked, they can progress into much more serious cardiovascular problems. The good news is that nature has already provided us with the solution. Fruits like watermelon, oranges, apples, kiwi, and others mentioned here are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fibers that work directly on your blood vessels, reducing inflammation, improving elasticity in your arteries, and strengthening your heart. By including these fruits regularly in your meals, you're not just satisfying your hunger or sweet tooth, you're actively investing in more years of life with health, energy, and independence. Imagine being able to walk without pain, enjoy trips and family moments, and live without the constant discomfort that limits so many people. And here's something important. Don't wait until problems get worse to start making changes. Small daily choices build a healthier future. Swapping a processed dessert for fresh fruit, drinking a natural juice instead of soda, or simply adding fruit to your breakfast can make a huge difference over time. Our bodies respond to the care we give it. When we feed it with sugary, processed, inflammatory foods, the result shows up as pain, disease, and limitations. But when we fuel it with vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants, the body rewards us with better circulation, more energy, and a longer, healthier life. So remember, aging well is not luck. It's the result of conscious choices. Each piece of fruit on your plate is a step toward cleaner arteries, a stronger heart, and healthier legs. If you want more practical and science-based tips to take care of your body and mind after 60, make sure to subscribe to this channel, Longevity, turn on notifications, and share this video with your family and friends. That way more people can benefit from this knowledge and live with health and vitality. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better with movement, freedom, and joy.